Hey there English learners. Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for simple and practical ways to improve your English fluency, you are in the right place. I know learning a new language can feel challenging, but guess what? With the right approach it can also be fun and exciting. So stick around because today I will be sharing some easy tips that you can start using right now to take your English to the next level. First things first, immerse yourself in English as much as possible. The more you hear and see the language, the faster you will pick it up. And you do not need to live in an English-speaking country to do this. Try watching movies or television shows in English, listening to English music or podcasts, and even setting your phone and applications to English. The key is to expose yourself daily and make it part of your routine. Fluency comes with practice, so do not be afraid to speak. Find a language partner, join an online speaking group, or even talk to yourself in the mirror. Yes, it may feel silly at first, but trust me, it works. Remember, making mistakes is completely okay. It is how you learn. Want a secret tip to think faster in English? Start thinking in English. Instead of translating words from your native language, try forming thoughts directly in English. For example, when you are cooking, describe the ingredients in English. When you are walking, name things around you in English. Little by little you will get used to it. Do not stress about memorizing long lists of words. Instead, focus on learning words in context. Read books, articles, or blogs in English and pay attention to how words are used. Make it fun. Try learning a few new words every day and use them in sentences. Technology is your friend. There are so many amazing applications out there that can help you practice English anytime, anywhere. Some great options are Duolingo, BBC Learning English, and HelloTalk. They make learning interactive and fun. One of the best ways to improve pronunciation and fluency is by listening and repeating. Choose a podcast, an interview, or even a short video, listen carefully, and try to mimic the way native speakers talk. This helps improve your accent and rhythm, making your speech sound more natural. I cannot stress this enough. Making mistakes is part of learning. Every mistake you make is a step closer to fluency. The important thing is to keep trying and learning from them. No one speaks perfectly, even native speakers. Surround yourself with people who are also learning English or are fluent speakers. You can join online forums, social media groups, or even local English clubs. Being part of a community helps you stay motivated and gives you opportunities to practice in real situations. Reading is great, but reading out loud is even better. It helps you practice pronunciation, intonation, and builds your confidence. Pick your favorite book or article and read it aloud for just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Finally, remember that consistency is key. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Set small goals, practice regularly, and most importantly, have fun with it. The more you enjoy the process, the easier it becomes. So there you have it. 10 simple and practical tips to help you improve your English fluency. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, practice makes progress. Keep going, and I will see you next time.